Hey guys, it's Lizzie here. So today I'm going to do an unboxing and review video of the Cruelty Free Beauty box. Now this is actually their 2-year anniversary box. This is the one for May, and I was actually, I think, the first person to review their first ever box 2 years ago. And yeah, it's fantastic to see how much they've changed, and actually there are some few new changes that I'll tell you about in a bit, but we'll get into what's inside this first. Inside you have, it's a really nice colour as well actually, my bedroom used to be this colour. You have all their social media handles so you can follow them. Oh, it's actually really cute. It says, "Thank you for being cruelty free, you're amazing." Thank you guys for making it so easy. So the first thing I can see when I open it is the card, and this says it's our second birthday box and to keep your eye out for all these changes. Now the changes actually were announced today, so I will tell you about those. And on the back it lists all the products, how much they are worth, if they're full size or not, and a little description about them. So as we go through I'll read this out for you. So the first thing is this popcorn, which is a strawberry and cream flavour, retro corn, popcorn coated with crushed sweets. That sounds really nice. Gluten free and vegan, no artificial colours or flavourings, 85 calories per serving. That sounds really good. So it says on the card that this one's actually their little birthday treat for everyone. Yummy popcorn coated in classic British sweets. I'm going to have to give that a go. At the moment I'm really unwell and have a sore throat, so I think popcorn will be a bit too dry. So I'll save these till I'm feeling a bit better and can actually taste stuff. Next up is this Shubu shower bomb. I was going to say shower bath bomb, but it says a bath bomb for your shower, eucalyptus, rosemary and peppermint. Now this seems exactly what I need right now to help me to breathe a bit easier. You turn the shower on, allow it to heat up as required, open packet and place tablet on the base of the shower bath or wet room at the other end so that it doesn't completely dissolve straight away. That sounds really good, just like freshen everything up a bit, make the bathroom smell nice. It says this is a full-size product and that its recommended retail price is £3, and this is in the fragrance Breathe, which is really what I need. Oh, there's 6 different types to choose from, and we picked Breathe due to the time of year with hay fever, so that makes sense. Eucalyptus is known for opening up the airways, whilst rosemary relaxes the muscles, and peppermint to help stimulate alertness and clarity. That sounds perfect. Yeah, I'm definitely looking forward to trying this. Shall I open it and give it a sniff? Oh, I keep sniffing, I'm so sorry. Oh my god, it smells amazing. Oof. It looks like a giant mint. It's taken all my willpower not to just bite into it. It's like a big old... Oh, it smells so good. Proper peppermint was like my favourite type of mint. That's good, I can seal it back up. So I will use that later. So next up is a leave-in conditioner from Giovanni, and it says it's a direct leave-in weightless moisture conditioner. Eco-chic technology. Botanicals moisturise and detangle hair whilst infusing weightless body for easy styling. Apply to freshly shampooed, towel dried, damp hair, going through to distribute evenly. I don't know what it smells like, but like I said, I don't really have the best sense of smell. The peppermint thing smelled really strong, so I can smell that, but it sort of smells just quite sweet and nice. This is perfect because I bleach my hair loads, and I'm always looking to use leave-in conditioners. And actually the leave-in conditioner I use at the moment, which is this one by Naughty Intensive Care, this is almost run out, and oh, it matches the box so well, all purple. So this will be a good replacement, because I just find using conditioner alone in my hair in the shower just isn't enough. I need to put something else on after because it's just so dry these days. So this one on the card said it penetrates each individual hair to provide exactly what is needed every time. This leave-in conditioner, this leave-in treatment uses enriched proteins to repair the hair as you go throughout the day. It also plumps the hair so it feels thicker, more bodified. Is that a word? Styled, weightless. By infusing each strand with protein, hair goes directly to style, suitable for all hair types. And this is worth £2.49, and the full bottle, which is 250ml, is worth £7.99. This will be perfect. I'll let you know on Instagram how I find it. I have put leave-in conditioner today already, so I'll wait till next time I wash my hair. Next up is this hemp mask by Pure Purpose, and this says a balancing skin mask with pomegranate and aloe vera extract. So that sounds lovely. I have a mixture of, I used to have very dry skin, and then this last 12 months or so it's getting less dry and more oily, but there's still dry patches around my blemishes and things like that. It helps to moisturise and rejuvenate. So this says it is a full-size product, it's worth £24. It's a balancing skin mask, pomegranate and aloe vera, like I mentioned, which deeply nourishes the skin on the face and neck area. Yeah, for all skin types. Let's have a sniff. Ooh. Oh, it's so nice. It's really citrusy. It's not like a clay. It is like a thick cream. Like it is runny. Ooh. Oh, that smells perfect. That'll be good because my skin is all over the place at the moment. It's got absolutely massive blemishes. Next up is this highlighter from Glitter Eyes in the shade Glow Up, and this is a full-size product and its recommended retail price is £4.95. It says get a serious glow up with the stunning handcrafted shimmer highlighter, beautifully buildable colour in a luminous vanilla shade that will flatter any skin type. Best applied with your fingertip as the warmth of your skin helps the creamy pigment to blend and melt into the skin, using the high points of the face. And Glitter Eyes is being rebranded as Sparkle Fantasy Cosmetics within the next month or so, and that's actually happened already. So Glitter Eyes is a company where I've used their pressed glitters for ages, and they're fantastic. They work really, really well, so I'm excited to try this one. Let's do a little swatch. Now it said best applied with your fingers, so, oh, it's quite a big pan size. It's bigger than your average eyeshadow. Here we go. Just don't want to open it fully, hang on. So, oh, that's really nice. Yeah, it's really creamy. So it's got a bit of a pinky shift to it. That'd be really nice. I've got quite a lot of highlighter already, so I don't need that on today. Oh my god, that's actually so nice. Oh, look at this. This is my little friend. Oh. Hello. That's lovely. I've got some empty palettes, so I might put it in there, or just leave it in this. It's really good for travel because it's so thin and light. Oh, that's really nice. If it doesn't suit you as a highlighter, if it's too pale, you could always use it on your eyes as an inner corner highlight, or as an eyeshadow, or gift it to a friend with things like that. Oh, so that Shubu shower bomb, there's a little card in there that says, my Shubu pledge. I'm taking 8 to 10 minutes out of my day for me because, and then there's a little blank space to write something. Shubu shower meditations are available across all digital download and streaming services. 8 to 10 minutes of self-care can change the world. Oh, well, I'm taking 8 to 10 minutes out of my day for me because it's important for my well-being. That sounds really good. I'll definitely check those out. Lastly is this lavish teeth whitening polish with activated charcoal, peppermint and coconut oil. And this is a full-size product worth £23.90, and it says it's a carefully formulated blend of activated charcoal from charcoal husks. You okay? That was my cat. Coconut oil and essential peppermint oil and sunflower wax. Jesus. Eggy. It's okay. Oh, he's really scared. He's hiding his head. He's angry. Okay. Okay. Don't scare you. Do you want to sit next to me? It's a carefully formulated blend of activated charcoal, coconut oil, essential peppermint oil and sunflower wax. Unlike charcoal powders, the charcoal particles are suspended in a blend of coconut oil, essential peppermint oil and sunflower wax. By suspending the charcoal in this blend, Lavish Smile maximise the benefits of activated charcoal for whitening teeth, and it's gentler on gums. So that sounds good. I have got a charcoal powder that I've used a few times. I don't know how much of a difference it makes really. I don't have the most stained teeth, but you know, it seems to be doing okay, like keeping them at the same colour for a while. But I know coconut oil, when I used to oil pull, which is a bit gross but it is really satisfying, and then my teeth changed loads. They got a lot whiter very quickly. So I imagine the mixture of coconut oil and charcoal would work really well. So you use this once a day after brushing your teeth with toothpaste. Dip a separate clean toothbrush into the polish and coat generously. Brush gently in circular motions for 2 minutes after use. Okay. Well, that sounds quite good. Let's have a look. That's nice. It's in a little tin. If I open it, do you think it will poof up, or will it have a seal? Oh, it's solid. It looks like shoe polish. I'm going to put my finger in. Because it's in coconut oil, I'm so stupid. So you just sort of brush a toothbrush in it. Smells fine. It smells of charcoal. A bit minty. Well, it says to use for a minimum of 14 days to see the real effect. So maybe I can take a picture of my teeth and use it for 14 days and take another picture and see if they're any different. I follow a few teeth whitening pages and all the little before and after creepy teeth pictures are quite funny. So I can join mine to that. So I thought I would now tell you a bit more about their boxes, sort of what the changes are, and yeah, just a bit of an update really. So this is their original box and it comes with 5 to 8 products, mostly full size, and they're always going to be greater than the value of what we've paid for the box, and the boxes are just under £20 I believe. They've got now a deluxe box too, which is the original box plus lifestyle and snacks, so you get a few extra bits. And then there's also, come on, the cat's sitting next to me. There's also their mini box, which is 3 to 6 products and it's 100% plastic free. So that sounds perfect. That might be a good way to try out just a couple of new brands if you're not looking to get so many new things right away. Their packaging, I must mention, is all recyclable. So it's a cardboard box. Actually, I've kept loads of these cardboard boxes. I've put things in them like false eyelashes, nail polishes, other bits and pieces like craft stuff, because they're a really good size and they stack really well and they're very sturdy. They're always stuffed with tissue paper, and oh, he's really needy since he knocked that mirror over. It's okay, my darling. You can sit on me, let me shimmy back. So these boxes are once every 2 months starting from June. They're pretty good at having plastic free options. Like their website has got a plastic free section, which is really handy. They've just added a plastic free sunscreen, which looks amazing. It's factor 30, it comes in a cardboard tub, so I want to give that a go. So they also now released 2 new boxes, well technically 3, the email says. They've got Ethical Glow, Ethical Rouge and Ethical Rouge Deluxe. So Ethical Glow is for makeup lovers, and it's going to be solely makeup products, so that sounds perfect. I might get that one. And then there's Ethical Rouge, which is grooming for him and optional upgrade, including lifestyle and snack as well. It's the same as the beauty box. So that sounds really good. They're every 3 months, starting from June as well. And they're the sort of thing that makes such a lovely present. Like, I would absolutely love the makeup one, because I find with these boxes, I've mentioned this before in previous videos, you hear about brands that I wouldn't otherwise find. Like all of these brands, yeah, every single one of them is new to me. So I'm getting really distracted by my cat. Yeah, so it's really nice. And since finding all these new brands from their previous boxes, I've gone on to buy more and more things for them that have really worked for me. It seems like less of a daunting commitment because you're paying under 20 quid for all these new products. 2 other key points to mention is that for every 5 boxes that they sell, they're going to plant a tree in Borneo, which will be amazing. Borneo is the home of orangutans and tigers, and that also 10% of their profits will be donated to different charities on a 3 monthly basis. So that's pretty good. And they've got really fantastic eco packaging. It can all be recycled or reused ideally as well first. And you can always put other gifts in it as a present. I've done that as well. Used one of these, I then painted it because it's mostly white. And I just stuck a piece of paper on the inside. And then, yeah, you could decorate it any way you want. So that's everything today for this video. I hope you found that helpful, and I hope it introduced you guys to some new products as well. I will definitely keep you updated with how all these things work for my skin and hair on Instagram, so go check that out. I'll leave the link below. I'll also leave a link to the Cruelty Free Beauty Boxes website below, so you can find out some more information about all the new exciting boxes. It's good that there's such a variety, you know, there's something for everyone there, every budget, everyone's needs. I like the idea of the makeup box and the one with lifestyle and snack as well, because I really like a snack. I like the fact this one came with popcorn. And I can't wait to actually eat this in a couple of days when I'm feeling a lot better. So thank you for watching, and oh no, my cat's about to eat the popcorn. It's not for you. Thank you so much for watching and showing your support. If you have any ideas for any future videos, let me know in the comments below, because I'm always keen to sort of make videos that you guys want to see. And thanks again. I will see you all very, very soon. Take care, bye. You okay? That was my cat. Coconut oil and essential peppermint oil and sunflower wax. Jesus.